There's a blessing awaiting you over there, and all your stressing, they will quickly disappear. Whoa. I love you.
So we are currently driving through the river on the way to Reggae Falls.
And it hurts.
Ooh.
Which is the bush cam was enough? The bush and such is not enough event.
No, and we've also decided that we are going to now live at Reggae Falls because the road to get here is not hospitable. But we chose to have an adventure today, so that's what we're doing. Going to Reggae Falls with no money.
Trust me. That means that you just never want to. Did you hear a process?
I did. Ooh, ooh, that feels nice. We're now testing the depth of the other part that we need to drive through, I'm guessing. We're not really sure what is going on at the moment.
You know what?
Don't worry, Shana can use my video.
You know the way?
Right, okay, Shana? Can use my video.
So you get to just that enter?
What are you doing?
We must lock the door, no. She must lock the door.
I don't do it now.
Okay, so it has been tested and deemed safe to continue on our journey to the falls.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky.
Little Einstein
Going through the
going through the river on the way to the falls. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Whoosh. We're going. We made it.
That was an adventure. We're here. Yeah, we will come here. We need a high vehicle.
And we have successfully gotten to the falls. Trying to get you guys a better view of what's happening in front of us. I've become a temporary vlogger for today. Because the YouTuber's phone is not being a YouTube phone.
Like literally, it's video 47 seconds. We see it, we stop it, and then it's
Take it off. Take it off, Mallory. Take it off, take it off. Take it off, yeah. Go. There's someone can't see the one there. And right here we have a paranoid passenger that we're going to leave here. I am the temporary vlogger for this YouTuber whose phone is not behaving properly.
As them reach,
Someone had some mangoes.
as them reach, them into the thick of it. When you not go 5 falls?
No, in here side it's cold. Out there so warm, in here side it's cool. Yeah. One leaf.
Jeez, I'm taking with.
A partner to work it up with.
Alright, it's cold. It is cold. No man, it's nice man, it's nice. It's nice.
My belly in a river.
The summer is going to get anybody we have to get it.
Don't it?
And any here that we have to give it.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
If Daddy can do it, you can do it. Listen, and when they find out, and the parents cause it. You see, today you used to hear when you say one thing 10 times, them not stopping at 8. You have to say it to 10. Yeah. I don't have any money to ask for anything. If you ever go on the road and ask you something, get a picture on your side. And then I say, nobody knows to do anything, they don't fucking nice. Like nothing to deal.
Can y'all see the fish? A little bit closer. Glimpse of the falls. A glimpse of the falls. The reggae falls. Look at that beauty. Wow, things really changing now. Y'all remember Dukeland?
Hey.
Them have to pack up with them things. Why? Bugfoot Margaret! I didn't realize the depth! Your thing's wet! The depth of the water. Them are gonna make it. Them tall like me. Look at that. Look at the beauty of that. Guys, the water reached me.
The water reached my door.
From yeah, when it starts in the mist. Look at that. I'm going to put up the camera because I'm going to have to go into the thick of it.
If you've gotten this far in the video, comment down below. Have you been to Reggae Falls? Do you plan on visiting Reggae Falls? I hope this week's vlog inspires you to explore more of the pleasures of our island.
This is video.
Sometimes life requires slowing down and enjoying the moments.
That was such a fun trip. I am home busted, but we'll get back to reality. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And until next time, see you in my next video.